Today no one else is helping, it's just me. I am going to be cleaning out this fridge. Before we begin, I have to put on some music because I need the Lord for this. So, let me see what I can find. What is y'all's favorite music to listen to when you clean? Because I got a whole genre of things that I like. I like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I like Christian music. That's my number one. Worship music is number one. I do like secular music. I do listen to a lot of different other stuff. Of course, y'all's assumptions are probably right. I do listen to a lot of country. I love jazz. I love rap. Let me just clarify though, it's usually Christian rap because I don't like all that. He put this and that and we doing this with that. I don't want to hear all that. That's too much for me. I love pop. I love 90s. 90s country is where it's at, and if anybody else says otherwise, you're lying. But for now, I'm going to listen to A Man of His Word by Maverick City. Super good song. So I'm gonna go do this. Okay, I just use a little bit of bleach and some water. Alright y'all, that's going to be it for today's video. I'm about to munch on this food. My camera's about to die, so God bless y'all and go and be a light out there.